Hello everyone, myself Dr. Nilesh Suryavanshi, practicing Ayurveda in Navi Mumbai. Today I am here to express my words about digital marketing course organized by DJRX. Friends, I am practicing since 14 years and I am seeing many of my friends, they are using digital marketing platform to produce their achievements, their result in front of the society. And on the other side, I was struggling to get used to digital marketing platform. My friend Dr. Avinash Devre, he suggested me to join DJRX digital marketing course, and believe me my friends, it was really a great breakthrough for me. I joined the course. Dr. Nilesh sir, Dr. Rajesh sir, they boosted my confidence with their thorough informative lectures. Dr. Nilesh sir, Dr. Rajesh sir, they taught very minute details regarding Google My Business, Facebook marketing, Instagram, Twitter, building a basic website for your clinic or for your business, and many more things they taught us. I'm really thankful to Dr. Nilesh sir, Dr. Rajesh sir, and friends, I moved out of my phobia and started reaching out to the people with the help of DJRX. If you want to join any digital marketing course and if you want to get benefited by that course, then I'll strongly recommend you to join DJRX. DJRX is definitely going to change your perspective, going to change your life. Thank you DJRX for creating a difference in my life. Thank you very much.